Welcome back to Two Vegan Kids Christmas Edition.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So today we're going to be making some delicious Christmas sugar cookies. Here are our ingredients.
For the crystals, sugar has no bone char, even though there isn't no physical bone char in it that will affect your body.
Yeah. And then we have some organic powdered sugar. This also doesn't have any bone char in it. That basically means that they use bone char to make it white and to bleach it.
We have flat peanuts. They
Then,
may sound like they're for birds, but they're for you.
then we have some cornstarch, some baking powder,
Buttery sticks,
vegan by Earth Balance,
and food coloring, and almond extract.
oh, almond and vanilla extract. We have some flour and salt. And the food coloring is also optional. We forgot to tell you that.
Yeah.
And we also have some sprinkles, which is also optional, to decorate our cookies. We have 2 rollers.
We have this giant mixer thing,
Yep. We have a spatula thing,
and we have our pipers.
piping bags to pipe on the frosting on the cookies, which is also optional. Then we have some cute little cookie cutters,
Which are kind of
Christmassy.
optional.
They're also optional, but you know, it's not optional because you want to make it cute. So.
Well, these are optional because they're figures. You just need a circle one.
Yeah, you just need a circle one, or you can just use whatever.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, let's get started! We're making our batter. So the first thing we're gonna do is put in 3/4 cups of softened butter. This is like 1 whole stick and a half a stick for our butter. And we have to whip it for about 2 minutes so that it becomes nice and creamy. Then we'll be putting in
3/4 cups of
sugar.
I need it.
Okay, so we got in our butter. Okay, so it's been whipping for about 2 minutes. So now,
Another
put
thing
in-
you can also do is just turn it on high and have it for there for like 30 seconds.
or you can cut. Now we're gonna put in our
Sugar.
Put in our sugar, and then after that we're gonna be putting in our almond milk, and then our vanilla and almond extract.
3/4 cup of sugar or 177 milliliters.
3/4 cup. Okay, that's good. Maybe that's good. Okay, so then we're gonna mix that up, and then after that we're gonna be putting in our almond milk, cornstarch, and extract. Now let's whip it into shape. Whipping. Okay, shape. So we need to make that mix for 2 to 3 minutes.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So we're all done whipping it up in the kitchen into shape. And now we're going to put in our almond milk, our cornstarch, our vanilla extract, and
Our almond flavor.
Yeah. So the first thing we gotta do is put in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure it's all leveled out in. Put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in there. I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of
milk.
almond milk. 2 tablespoons of almond milk. 1/4 a teaspoon of almond flavor extract, whatever you call it. This is optional, I'm pretty sure, to put almond extract in it, but we just want to do the whole grand deal. But almond extract. Then we gotta put a whole teaspoon of vanilla extract. Hoochie. Next, we're gonna blend it all together for 1 minute.
Let
Yeah.
it snow, let it snow.
So what you want to do is you want to bring this up
And let it spin
around
a couple.
for a second, yeah.
And then completely
And then you
turn
want to
it off.
scrape off the gooey stuff
The gunk, you want to scrape it off and make sure all the sides are scraped too.
and the inside.
So I am going to get our flour ready. And this is the most important part. You have to put your flour in 1 cup at a time. So I'm just going to put all my flour in this bowl so that I can just scoop it out. 1 cup at a time. And you need 2 cups and 1/4 of flour. Okay. So that's 1 cup right there. 2 cups. Then 1/4 cup of flour. So this is the important part. We want to do some serious business. We have to put 1 cup at a time in here and beat it 1 minute slowly. Then another cup. Then do all that again. Then 1/4 cup. Do all that again because we're going to be forming dough. Okay? So we're going to put 1 cup of flour. 1 cup at a time. Then beat it slowly for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly. Now it's been beating. It's really nice and creamy and soft. We've got the sides all down. Now we're going to put our next cup of flour. And this is just the right amount. I measured it out before. You know I'm not smart like that. Very slow. So just creamy like. And then after this cup, we'll be putting our 4th cup in. But that's after we beat it slowly. So now we messed up. Yeah. Before you blend this together with the 2nd cup, you gotta put in your baking powder and your salt. Okay? So we're gonna be needing 1/2 teaspoon of both. So, cause you wrong.
I honestly don't know how 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder is gonna make a difference, but
You know it will. Then we got our sea salt. Has to be sea salt. It can't be, healthy salt. It has to be unhealthy.
sea. It has to be sea salt.
From the sea, actually, we went there and we got it in this jar. Cause
Yeah.
we can let that.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Who you know? I'll wait. Then we're gonna blend that all together. And after, we're not gonna blend it all together. We're actually gonna beat it, and for 1 minute. Then we're gonna put in our 4th cup of flour after we beat it for 1 to 2 minutes.
So now we are going to turn that off and then add our last cup of flour.
4th cup of flour.
Yeah.
Just to make sure I put the right amount in here, I'm just still gonna measure it out.
Do the
You
same
always
type
gotta
of
have the measurement. You know what's the measurement.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. We're gonna pour it in there because it's a 40 cup and it's good.
And we're very smart.
Because we don't need the measurements. We do need the measurements. That's why we measured it out. But you're gonna put it last in there, and then we gotta wash our hands because we gotta roll and knead the dough and knead it. And make it into them cool shapes that we have.
Yeah, you have to have a cookie cutter.
So we gotta beat it for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah. 1 to 2.
Not more.
3. Not 4. Not 5.
Not 1 minute and 30. 1, 2, 2. Now we're going to start forming our delicious cookies.
So first we need to get parchment paper and put flour on it so it doesn't stick to parchment paper. And use parchment paper so it doesn't stick to your whatever that is.
So we got our wonderful dough,
Yeah.
and we're gonna split it into 2 balls.
So you can roll them out and make your bars.
Yeah, so we have to take them, roll them, make them into 2 balls. We're gonna take our mini rollers, and we are going to take our mini rollers, and we're gonna roll. Make sure you. How do you do this? Get some good. How am I gonna do this in the paper?
I don't know.
Mom, so we're just gonna roll it out until they're like about 1 inch thick. Them up together
Into the fridge.
Yes, and we'll chill them for an hour. and we're going to put them into the fridge. Now.
So now we're gonna make the icing.
So first we will be needing 1/2
thing of butter.
1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 stick of butter, and it's equal to 4 tablespoons. And then make sure it's chilled, and we're just gonna whip that up first.
Yeah.
The butter is all done whipping, and we're going to put in our next ingredients. We'll be needing 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. You can put that in. Then we'll be needing 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that we never needed the flax seeds. We totally forgot to tell you guys that in the beginning. We have 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Okay. No. And then we'll be putting 1/2 a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract into there.
1 cup and a half. One.
Yeah, don't forget
whole
the half.
cup and a half.
Of powdered sugar, and then
And a half.
1/2 a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we'll be doing 1/4 a teaspoon of almond extract. Couple different bowls, which is this part is optional.
And
We're
to
gonna have
make
the
it-
different colors.
Yeah. Like
No, we
red,
got-
yellow, red, and blue. Purple. And
Yeah, we
orange.
can make all those colors like this.
And then we can mix them and make other colors.
Yeah. So we're gonna be
wonderful
making
color.
red. We're gonna be making yellow. We're gonna be making green.
We're gonna make blue, purple, and
So
orange.
now our icing is completely finished. We ended up doubling our icing because we will be having multiple colors.
And so, by the way, you need to get plant-based.
Food coloring. Because
Yeah.
sometimes food coloring has animal products
and
and all that kind of
it's
stuff.
weird.
You know?
It doesn't need to be there.
We're going to be taking a little bit of our icing and putting it into our bowls. We have a 5th bowl because that's just for regular white icing, and then we have red, yellow, green,
And blue.
I'm gonna put a little bit
Of each.
in each bowl.
Guys, we're gonna put 1 drop of in each.
Besides the one that's
Yeah.
gonna be
Yeah.
white. So here you can
I
have
want blue and red.
Okay. How we're gonna get started?
You guys want to do
You
red?
wanna do red? Okay. We're gonna do 1 drop
You
of
put
red.
a drop and then you mix it. You mix it.
Mix it up.
Mix it.
Put it all together.
Get the whole.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do yellow. I know, it's cool, isn't it? So we have our icing all mixed. We got the red, we got the yellow, we got the green, we got the white, and we got the blue. So now we're gonna take our cookies out of the fridge. So we got them out, the thingies. So now we're gonna cut. We got them out. Make sure you let them sit for about 10 minutes while the oven preheats so that it'll be easier to cut.
Use it.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut out our delicious cookies. We have some of our frostings in the bag. These are basically the frostings that we'll be using for decorating. The other frostings are still in the bowls for spread. So make sure you put it down right. Oh, and then we're putting them on this pan that is layered with parchment paper. delicious cookies. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cut 8 out, and then we're gonna put them into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we got our first batch of cookies out. This makes 24 cookies, so now we're gonna get to decorating. Oh, decorate time. So let's
We
bring
will have something special.
our delicious. I think I can just bring the parchment paper over. No, I think I'm gonna just bring the whole pan over because it's easier to bring.
And we're very smart and intelligent.
We gotta let them cool before we decorate.
Because
We got a little ahead of ourselves. So let's let it cool for 10, 5, 2, 6, or however long. Let's decorate our delicious cookies. We have our helper here. Her name is Micah. She just decided she wanted to be
Yeah, because she's so swag.
Yeah, she's swaggy.
She's a new G.
So let's get to trying.
Yeah.
So let's get to trying. So we have our guest here. He's our cousin Kimi. He's the real guest. She just decided she wants to come. So we got some sparkling grape because we just want to be fancy. So
An arrow. We finally opened it.
yeah, we finally opened it. You know, it's bubbling because it's a party. You know. Okay, so let's pour. Santa Claus. I mean, this is Frosty the Snowman. So 3,
Frosty the
2,
Mailman.
1.
These are good.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Good.
Pretty good.
Good.
They are like, really.
Yeah. You like it? Like it? You like it done now?
Yeah.
Like Kimmy?
That's great.
I like it. You like it, Micah? Yummy. So, guys, definitely try these because it's great for Christmas because they're sugar cookies. It makes a good amount. This is our first time making them, so that's why it was a little crazy.
Yeah.
So, hope you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time on.
And they're healthier.
Yeah. And we will see you next time on
Two
Vegan Kids.